Hi, I'm Toby Cisneros, and welcome to IP Go, the show where we take a look at the IPO world, past, present, and future. So it's been a turbulent week in the political world, and while everybody would like closure on the presidential election, it doesn't look like we're there just yet. Now, traders like volatility, but that doesn't mean bankers listing companies do. After all, who would want to float their business in the midst of political upheaval? That doesn't mean that the IPO docket is dead, though. It just means that some of the bigger companies might take a wait-and-see approach. Nevertheless, let's take a look at what's in the pipeline for next week. First up is Inhibicase Therapeutics, a Georgia-based clinical stage pharmaceutical company developing therapeutics for Parkinson's disease. The firm filed 2 investigational new drug applications with the U.S. FDA in the first quarter of 2019. One IND is for the treatment of Parkinson's disease, while the second is for treatment of gastrointestinal complications that arise as early symptoms of Parkinson's in patients. Inhibicase has a market cap of $105 million and is looking to raise $15 million by offering 1.4 million shares for around $10 to $12 per share. Next up, we have another biotech firm, this time based in New York. IN8bio is a clinical stage biotechnology company focused on developing innovative therapies for the treatment of cancers, including solid tumors, by employing allogenic, autologous, and genetically modified gamma delta T cells. Gamma delta T cells are naturally occurring cells in the human immune system that recognize and kill cancerous cells, while processing a tumor recognition mechanism that protects healthy tissue. In documents submitted to the SEC, the firm states that they are the first company to advance genetically modified gamma delta T cells into the clinic, leveraging the powerful and naturally occurring anti-cancer properties of these cells to enable their use in combination with therapeutic administration of chemotherapy. IN8bio is conducting 2 investigator-initiated Phase 1 clinical trials for both of their lead gamma delta T cell product candidates. The firm has a current market cap of $310 million and is looking to raise $75 million by offering 4.7 million shares at between $15 to $17 per share. These 2 stocks are due to be listed on the NASDAQ, and taking a look at the iShares NASDAQ BioTech ETF, we can see that this year it is up close to 15% year to date and just shy of 50% this year from March lows. Wrapping up, let's take a look at the Renaissance Capital IPO ETF, which acts as a broad indicator for the health of the IPO market by tracking recently listed stocks. It has had a powerful week, returning 12.29%, pushing it to trade at all-time highs. The fund is currently up just shy of 80% on the year to date and 163% since the March COVID lows. That's all we have time for this week, but as usual, make sure you do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. Stay safe and see you next week.